Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you the snack that I created with snack.expo.dev. And as you can see, here's my code. And this is the QR code that is created after I put in my code, which I will be scanning with my iPad so we can see the app running. Okay, and so here is my app running on my iPad. Okay. And so this is similar to the app that I previously showed you. Here's my my header. There's my background image. I left the footer out of this one. However, I added a button here that you can see, and my sound will be ending here. I cut it short. Okay, and so actually there it is. And what I did with this version of my app is I made it to where my sound cuts out early and it does not loop. Reason being, I have my little button here where I can push it and you'll hear the sound of water, relating to Bruce Lee and one of the analogies that he uses to becoming like water. And there is my app, and it's running on my iPad. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.